Okay guys, looking at a couple of full body exercises that we can use within the flows themselves for either mobility or conditioning, or can just be used as individual exercise on their own again. So I'm going to start with your basic hand walkout. So feet shoulder width apart-ish. All I'm going to do is reach down towards the floor, walk my hands out to a press up position, then I'm going to lower my hips down towards the ground, looking up slightly, coming back up onto my feet from there. So hands walk out, hips come down towards the ground, looking up. So I'm tensing my bum, pushing my hips into the floor, and walking back up onto your feet. Just be careful if you've got somebody there with lower back issues, any pain in the past, or any tightness in the lumbar spine. Just don't get them to drop straight down to the floor. Just test it, push your hips down until you feel tension, and then come back up from there. You would just slowly start encouraging them to work lower and lower, just gradually increasing the mobility from there. From there, we can also do what's called an up-down dog, a bit of a yoga move. So we're going to walk our hands out to a hip drop position from here. Up-down dog involves pushing my hips back up into the air. So at the moment, I've got my chest up, I've got my hips down. I'm basically going to do the opposite of that. So I'm going to bring my head down and hips up, pushing my feet back into the floor. So my heels, I'm trying to drive into the ground as far as I can. So I'm getting a big stretch on my hamstrings and the back of my calf there. My hands and feet don't move anywhere. I just push my hips up and hips down. As far as possible. Again, calf and hamstring stretch there, keeping your legs as straight as we can. From there. In this position on the floor, we can also do what's called a prone step. So a nice little mobility drill. So from kneeling position, I'm going to step up. Left foot up to my left hand. Just pushing my heel into the floor a little bit, leaning into that knee ever so slightly. I don't want my knee to end up going over my foot. So step wide enough that just putting a little bit of pressure just to bring your knee level with your heel. And then coming back down, swapping, and driving up from there. I can add in a rotation to this movement as well. So when I step up, if my right foot is up, I'll bring my right hand up, looking up over the top, coming back down. Just for a nice little bit of rotation there.